the person, the lady, the shopkeeper, the owner was an entrepreneur, was having an entrepreneur mindset. What did I learn, and that I want to share with you all is very, very important. The thing was that how do you look at your business? Your one attitude or one statement either will let you lose a customer, or you do anything to for your customer and make the resources available. With this discipline from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Hello, everyone. I have come here for immediate live. It will be short and will be giving some beneficial input today. And in case you are into business, and in case you are thinking to have a lot of abundance in your life, and if you ever interact with people, then listen to this conversation or Q&A till the end. Why did I say Q&A? Because I am happy to have at least a one question to answer it. What exactly happened? Let me tell you something today which I did, that I planned to have a quick shoot today, and with few of my colleagues and few of my team, I went to a location, and before I could go over there, we were so much, we started early morning and we didn't have a breakfast. We thought that we will catch up somewhere soon and we will have breakfast over there. What exactly over there, what happened? None of the team had wallet, okay, to pay anything in money, because everyone was thinking it is all about paying money, and nowadays everyone is using mobile and mobile apps to transact money as well. To all of our surprises, what we saw that there was no network, okay, and the question was how to transact with money when this person is concerned. So after knowing and realizing that no network, no more cash, and still we wanted to complete it. The another question was there now, whether the shopkeeper, the lady, want to transact and complete the business that is going to happen in very short span of time. Now it was the person, the lady, the shopkeeper, the owner was an entrepreneur, was having an entrepreneur mindset. What did I learn, and that I want to share with you all is very, very important. The thing was that how do you look at your business? Your one attitude or one statement either will let you lose a customer, or you do anything to for your customer and make the resources available. So one is attitude and second is resourcefulness. Two are very mandatory thing in the business. Do you have this another attitude, which I call it as a whatever it takes attitude, which allow you to complete a transaction, okay? So we were thinking either we will go ahead, and we were thinking while in returning we will complete it, and but she was the one who believed in us, that and who believed in herself to serve us, and there was no customer with us with her at that given point of time. She suggested something to us. She said, take a note of this number. I believe in you, and what I'm going to do is something amazing. I don't know whether you will go straight away or you will come back. So what you can do is that you can take this number, go just few steps back, and she shared with us one exact point from where the signal can be received. Okay, so imagine she was just talking to us about receiving the signal at a certain point of time, but is she also not aligning herself with the frequency of business abundance from where she can continue to have cash catching in her own account as well? Of course yes, the answer is of course yes. Now the answer is here: how many of you give importance to even a single customer, pay attention to retain them, pay attention that you can transact them, and you develop an attitude even for a customer to transact even with this attitude of whatever it takes? If you do that, let me applaud you for that. If you don't do that, then you must develop it. And in case you think that is a good point, I should be doing it, then you should not delay about it. So why you should not delay? Delay diverts your direction towards the destination. Take a note of it, and that's the universal law. So that's the reason you need to quickly decide to complete a decision. Okay, why decision? Because one quick decision create a momentum, and momentum makes a magic. That's the second universal law in the business abundance. Okay, also please take a note of it. And the third thing is that take decision taken in a moment that creates the momentum. What it further does, that it does not only create a magic for you, it also completes and put you exactly then and there on your own defined destination. Isn't it something magical? Of course it is, because you are going to experience it very very soon. All right, so this lady, what she said when I was thinking to interview her and came to know that she just started, she had been an MNC employee, she left her job, 9 to 5 job, she decided to do a business, she get into hospitality industry, she started her catering business in the very remote area. And of course she had this issue when customer loses the network, they don't have money to pay back. Even though they have money, they don't have money to pay back. What she does, she located a point from where the signal can be received. She did this homework well in advance, and that's the reason she could tell us. And we went over there, we received the signal, and we transferred her around $500. Okay, we came back again at her shop, we had our wonderful breakfast, and what exactly happened, we also returned a cash of the remaining amount. Isn't it something crazy? So ask yourself, have you ever done these kind of homework for retaining your customer and not letting or not allowing you to go away from you well in advance? If you have never done it, then this is the right time. Okay, what she did, very subtle thing, everyone could ignore that, identifying a point where the signal could be received, that is for mobile, so that mobile transaction, mobile business transaction, mobile money transaction can get completed. Ultimately that money was supposed to get into her account. She was so much happy, so much delighted. I'll be posting another video where I interviewed her, and I was so much glad that such entrepreneur mindset ladies are there, and they are growing, and they must be applauded, they must be appreciated, because these femina, these ladies are the power, and they are showing the direction to the world. And I appreciate her for her all the hospitality service. She had her boy, and he was also getting trained, the 7 years old on business ground, that how to do business. Are you also training your little one to develop a business mindset, to develop a money mindset? In case you are not doing, you must start doing it. So these were few learning I just wanted to share. These came through quickly summarize as about the 3 universal law which I shared with you. For having money, taking a decision, and also how to get immediately at your destination. Three universal law I shared with you. Second, doing the predefined homework already, even a subtle homework which can get you more and more customers. That was the part which I shared with you immediately. And the another part is that having the mindset to not to lose any customer and give them more value so that they become fan for you. And every time now her name is seeded, I could interview her why it all happened, because her mindset. So many customers think, or many business owners think, even though I lose a customer, I lose just a customer. It's not about losing a customer. You are also losing abundance mindset. You are losing business abundance mindset. You are losing your money mindset. You are losing a customer. You are losing money, and also you are losing a relationship into business. But here we developed one. She's trusted us, and it was a great bond just in one journey on the path to have breakfast to one business owner. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach, Love, Light, Blessing. In case you have question, please put in the comment, and next time whenever I'll come back, I'm going to answer that as well. And I'm going to read all your comments and personally going to review them and answer them. Thank you so much. And also don't forget to tag someone if you think these information would be helpful for them. Thank you once again. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach, Love, Light, Blessing. By the way, I am coming with very soon with another workshop, 2 days boot camp. That is 24 hours to abundance. Don't forget to enroll for that, and you will have a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.